John F. Hunt has been making significant progress at 30 Duke Street, St. James's, with the latest updates captured on site. We have successfully constructed the slipform rig for the concrete core, while breaking out the existing foundation. Excavation works for the new raft slab foundation are moving forward at pace, and waterproofing installation is currently in progress. As part of the enabling works, our team has integrated the new ground floor slab with the existing perimeter paving vaults. The underpinning process has been completed, and temporary support structures have been installed around the perimeter to maintain the stability of the paving vaults throughout the excavation. With each step, we continue to push forward, ensuring that 30 Duke Street, St. James's, is on track for a successful and timely completion.